Hi, and welcome to Heal Thyself. This week's episode is focused on red light therapy. With so much research proving the benefits for inflammation, skin conditions, and cellular nutrition, to name a few, I wanted to show you this amazing therapy this week. I'm Lily Woods with Body Harmonics, and I've spent the last 20 years educating myself on many holistic modalities and applying the lens of my education in neuroscience, neuropsychological assessment, and quantum science to multitudes of modalities out there. My goal is to help you gain knowledge on these topics from a broad perspective so that you can take control of your own wellness journey. I don't diagnose, or treat medical conditions, but I provide therapies that let you take control of your current health and harmonize your body back to natural wellness. So let's talk about red light therapy. Light's essential for the development and health of every living species on this planet. In humans, natural light is necessary for vitamin D production and balancing the circadian rhythms. Unfortunately, in this day and age, our bodies are severely under-illuminated. We spend so much time indoors under harsh artificial lights and looking at bright screens, but not enough time outdoors exposed to the natural light spectrum. No wonder our circadian rhythm, sleep, and energy levels are completely out of whack. Luckily, there's a way to get more of the good light waves without drastically changing your lifestyle or even leaving the house. And it's been used by scientists and astronauts at NASA. So let's talk about red light and skin improvement. Red light therapy has over 6,000 published medical studies that show the effect of red light therapy panels and devices on various conditions. It's been scientifically proven in peer-reviewed clinical trials. Whether you're looking to improve your sleep, heal skin injuries, reduce fine lines, fight depression and anxiety, help with neurological disease, increase your fat loss, speed recovery from exercise, increase strength and endurance, fight autoimmune conditions, combat hair loss. Red light therapy is a very powerful tool, and that is only to name a few of the benefits. The pictures we're looking at here are anti-aging photos. On the left, you'll see a 64-year-old female that had ELT, which is a more substantial form of red light therapy, and the before and after. And then on the right, you'll see a 41-year-old female that had RLT and the impacts to her lines and wrinkles on her forehead. So let's talk about how red light works. Red light therapy is also known as photobiomodulation, or PBM, or low light level therapy, LLT. It's a completely natural and non-invasive treatment that heals the body on a cellular level. It delivers low energy red and near infrared NIR light waves to the body through efficient LED bulbs. Red light and NIR light have the same biological benefits and work synergistically, and they penetrate up to 5 to 10 centimeters below the surface of the skin. Red light waves penetrate the superficial layers of the skin, and the longer wavelength NIR light targets deeper tissues like the nerves, muscles, tendons, and bones. So in a study by Karu and Kolyakov on the action spectra of mitochromatic light from 580 to 860 nanometers were analyzed. The authors concluded that cytochrome C oxidase could absorb light in different spectral bands. So let me translate that. Red and near infrared light can be absorbed by your cells, and probably in the bionuclear centers of the CUA and CUB in oxidized forms. This means that our mitochondria in the body cells, which are really important in our inflammation cycles and our cell regeneration and how we actually process energy, benefit from the red light stimulation in multitudes of ways. The studies show that phototherapy is an effective therapeutic modality for many conditions in the body, and we'll get into just a few in a minute. The biological effects promoted by these therapeutic resources are similar and are related to the decrease in inflammatory cells, increased fibroblast proliferation, angiogenesis stimulation, and the formation of granulation tissue and increased collagen synthesis. That's a lot of benefits, and we're not done. So what is red light therapy? Red light boosts the energy production in the human cells by stimulating photoreceptor proteins called cytochrome C oxidase. This encourages the mitochondria, the energy powerhouse of the cell, to break down the nitric oxide and efficiently generate more of the energy molecules, adenosine triphosphate or ATP. ATP is the energy currency of a cell, and optimal ATP production supports our health and repair of our cells, and our cells performing efficiently and allowing the body to heal and regenerate. Additionally, red light therapy creates something called hormesis, low dose stress in the cells. This is kind of short-term stress like exercise. It's good for the body and it's very good for our cells. It boosts the protein synthesis and the enzyme activation. It strengthens the anti-inflammatory and oxidant defenses in the body and improves our overall health and the resilience of our cells. So what is ATP and nitric oxide? RLT works by repetitively exposing your skin to low levels of red and near infrared light for a certain period of time. At low wavelengths, red light doesn't generate heat, and it penetrates the skin between 1 and 2 millimeters, according to 2013 research. The red light exposure may produce positive biochemical effects on your cells that strengthens your mitochondria, and this is where the cell's energy is created. RLT may do this by increasing the transportation of electrons, oxygen consumption, and your levels of ATP. By increasing the energy of the mitochondria, the cells function more efficiently, as well as rejuvenate and repair themselves. Red light waves also increase blood flow, thus improving nutrition and oxygen delivery to the cells throughout the body. RLT also reduces oxidative stress in the body by boosting ROS, reactive oxygen species, in the body. So let's talk exactly how RLT works for certain skin conditions. Red light therapy is promoted as a treatment for some common skin conditions, including to improve wound healing, reduce stretch marks, reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots, improve facial texture, improve psoriasis, rosacea, and eczema, improve scars, improve sun-damaged skin, and improve hair growth and acne. The red light works with the cells to regenerate, as we've already talked about, and it actually penetrates, as you can see in this picture of the woman with psoriasis on her neck, it penetrates into the skin and helps her on her healing journey with those. So how does RLT boost blood flow? By bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin cells, it encourages healing and the reduction of inflammation. And it also increases the production of collagen by stimulating collagen-producing cells called fibroblasts. Collagen is one of the most abundant proteins in our body. It's found predominantly in connective tissue and acts as the glue that holds everything together, and it gives the skin strength and elasticity. Unfortunately, poor nutrition and lifestyle and aging all decrease our production of collagen, and the appearance of our skin suffers. By encouraging collagen production, red light therapy firms up the skin, reduces the fine lines, the wrinkles, and the sagging, and generally improves your appearance. All of the underlying blood flow and blood cells in the body, on the skin layers, and even within our bodies can leverage the mitochondria production that's happened, that's beneficial to our bodies, and allows our skin and our organs and everything to flourish in our bodies. So what about pain and inflammation? Red light therapy has the ability to penetrate into the body and naturally reduce inflammation and pain in the skin, in the muscles, and in other tissues. It increases the blood flow encourages antioxidant activity, and lowers the inflammatory markers in the body. We talked in one of my previous episodes about how the mitochondria produces cytokines and how that process produces inflammation. If we increase how our mitochondria are functioning, that means the cytokine production will also decrease. Our lymphatic system will be able to remove that from our bodies, and our inflammation will be alleviated. Studies have confirmed that red light therapy can improve a variety of chronic pain symptoms and conditions, such as joint pain, back pain, and neck pain. A 2010 review study found that red light therapy effectively treats pain to tendon injuries and inflammation. And considering pain is one of the most common reasons for missing work or visiting the doctor, red light therapy is a natural treatment worth pursuing for these ailments. If you've had surgery or have a cut or wound that's slow to heal, red light therapy can help with that as well. It speeds up wound healing by boosting circulation and allowing more oxygen and healing nutrients to reach that area. It reduces tissue inflammation and encourages the formulation of new blood vessels and tissues and improves collagen levels. In 2014, there was a study on patients recovering from heart surgery, and they found that red light therapy reduced the pain and bleeding and increased the wound healing of those patients. In the pictures on the left, this is an individual that came in before RLT. There was a picture. And then after one 30-minute session, we took a picture, and you can see there's already some benefits. And then after one day, and only the one 30-minute session, you can see that the body is continuing to heal with that therapy. That is a substantial change in that wound. So today we covered red light therapy. There's so many benefits to red light therapy. They're far-reaching and enables you to take control of your well-being in so many ways. Skin disease, aging improvement, pain and inflammation, bodily nutrition and cellular functioning improvements, improved sleep, increased blood flow, increased sensation to our skin, faster healing, and both internal and external, and many, many more possible benefits. Thanks for listening in today as we talked about red light therapy. I am with Body Harmonics. I'm Lily Woods. Here are some of the different therapies that we work with within quantum healing and frequency medicine. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, like us, share this channel, and I look forward to speaking with you next week. Thanks for joining us today.